Hello friends, in this video I will tell you about Revolved Cut, that how to use Revolved Cut in Solidworks. So let's get started. Revolved Cut. For Revolved Cut we should have a solid geometry which I have already created. Now we will click on Revolved Cut, select plane. I will choose front plane, then make it normal. Insert a center line for revolve axis. Draw a cross section for revolve. Click on OK. You can see the revolve rotated at 360 degree. We can change from here like this. Now it is at 180 degree. I'll put here 360 degree. Click on OK. Your object is ready using Revolved Cut. Thank you.